Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you want to make money on shorts video, a reels video, TikTok video, so this video for you. In this video I'm going to show you how we can create AI shorts video. Alright, so you don't need to high skill to create videos and editing and subtitle, adding some different captions. All in all, these tools will help you to generate the AI video from script to video generation, captions and a voiceover tone. Okay, so you can create like gaming video, story video or historical video, funny video, and you can post as a TikTok video, reels video or shorts video. Okay, that's mean create a video and then upload all the social media platform. Okay, also you can add subtitle, different styles. Okay, also you can use emojis, caption, gifs and image highlights. This is the example of Mr. Beast video. You can see the these are the styles, the captions style. Okay, and also you can schedule your posting. That's mean you don't have to hire someone like social media manager and don't have to spend money. Once you use these tools, you can create videos and you can auto post. That means you can schedule the post and that will automatically work as a social media manager. Okay, alright guys, so just visit this website. I have a link in the description. So first of all you have to sign up, so click on sign up and you can log in with your Google account and also you can input your email address and password. Okay, and if you have still account, so click on here, click here to log in. Alright, so this is my account. This is the dashboard. As you can see, it's a pro account and credits 360 credits over there, and these are the faceless video styles, and you can see the AI tools and all the popular templates over there. So what kind of videos do you want to produce? You can create Reddit stories, that's mean the Reddit story to video. Also you can fake text. Alright, also you can generate AI story video and also the dialogue generator. Alright, so I'm going to show you how you can create AI story video and step-by-step tutorials from scratch. I will show you how to script AI generator, or then how you can create videos and then you can download. Alright, so these are the templates you can see.
In the highlands of present-day Ethiopia, the Aksumite...
In a quiet glen where the sun painted...
And the third one.
In a quiet town, an old philosopher posed a question.
In the quiet town of Eldridge, shadows whispered through cracked windows.
So I think you would love it. So if you want to create this video, how you can do this? Just choose a template. So I'm going to select I think that this one, create new, and here you can see the template section. That's mean, so this is the script section and those are the templates, so you can use. And if you have your custom prompt, so you can use this section. So I'm going to show you how we can use this custom prompt. And last video I just showed that select templates and I used interesting history. So check out the add to cart button and you will see the videos. Okay, so don't miss the video. So let's select a custom prompt. Alright, and describe your video concept to AI. So that's mean what about will your video. So if you want to create a story video or product video or any kind of videos, so you can write it here. Also you can use ChatGPT, Gemini or other tools to create the script. So I have an idea because I have a website powerfultutorials.com and I just posted a top trending cooking channels on YouTube in 2024. This is the article and I just want to produce a video on that topic. So I'm just going to copy the title over here and then go back to the tools, shorts.ai. I don't know how they create the video, but I'm just trying this. Okay, top trending cooking channels on YouTube 2024. Select language, video is starting. Okay, and video CTA. Alright, and the script length is 60 to 90 seconds and I'm going to select 90 to 120 seconds and it's time to generate the script. So click on generate script. Alright guys, our script is generated. Here you can see the script. It's an AI generated script. It's amazing and you will be surprised. Okay, alright, and you can see the all the characters. That's mean 1543 characters over there. Okay, so it's time to click on next because I want to generate the final video. So click on next. Alright, and it's time to select the subtitle. So I think the subtitle, this one is perfect, and click on next. Alright guys, and select audio. Very interesting. So you can choose the gender, also you can select the age, and also you can select the language. Alright guys, I have a favorite voiceover artist, so you can choose and you can listen and then you can select. Okay, So I'm going to pick this one, Adam. I like this voice over very much. Okay, so Adam is the most recognizable voice on US TikTok, used in many viral videos. Okay, middle-aged male, so click on here, and if you want to listen the voiceover, click on here.
Allow the world to live as it chooses, and allow yourself to live as you choose.
Okay, so select this voiceover and generate video. Alright guys, so generating your video, so you can safely leave this page. Video export will continue in the background, and you can check progress anytime in my projects. That's mean my projects will be a folder like this, and you can find all the generated videos, and you can edit something else, like I think so 66.5% already done, 75% done, and I will show you the final results and finally how you can download this video. Alright, so this is the project dashboard. That's been my project dashboard. You can see all the some status over there. Alright guys, so finally our video is ready, so let's check the video. Alright, so this is the video, so let's check it out and let's play the video.
A culinary renaissance exploded on YouTube. Viewers flocked to channels showcasing vibrant cooking styles. First on the list was Savor the World. This channel featured diverse cuisines. Each episode transported viewers to different countries. Authentic recipes paired with stunning visuals proved irresistible. Next, Quick Bites with Clara gained traction. Clara's fast-paced cooking tutorials made meal prep fun. Busy individuals found inspiration in her 15-minute meals. Her energetic personality.
Alright, and if you want to post it into your social media platform, you can directly post it here. You can, so just click on create post, and you can, and if you want to create a post as a TikTok or YouTube channel, so you can directly do it, and you can also make a schedule that I already showed you that. And if you want to download, just download this, click on download here. I already download over here. Alright, so this is how you can generate a video. So in the next video I will show you how you can create different short story video, history video, or different kind of horror video. And don't forget to like and comment and subscribe this YouTube channel to get this kind of videos. I will come back with new tutorials, so see you in the next video.